Ari hakuhi bunge 18 cia Kamiti irugamitie GIIKARO bunge-ini thutha wa kamiti ya kuramata micaara ya aruti wira wa muingi kwaga kuhingia ihoya ria arugamiriri a WANDI ria kuongererwo micaara na marihi ma njoherera riu kwaya gukorwo na kamweneni thutha wa kamiti ya Senate igia utamburukia wa mahinya guthukira uritu ihoya riao.
Members of the Committee of Devolution and Intergovernmental Relations.
Gikundi kiria kirugamiririre MCAs mari mbere ya kamiti no ni matariirie uria micaara yao na marihi ma njoherera mathiete marengetwo kuma mwaka wa 2013 makienda kamiti ya SRC ithathaure mutaratara uria mahuthagira gukinyaniria micaara iria mekurihwo.
What we are having a problem with is the computation. It can't be that when we ask for parameters, we did not ask for speaker's salary. We did not specifically go for the, we raised them, but the main issue in that job description was the members of county assemblies.
Kurigana na MCAs aya, kamiti ya SRC dire no menye muiganu ukonainie na mirutire ya wira ya MCAs, amemba kamiti ya utamburukia wa mahinya thiini wa Senate, makiuga kuriha arugamiriri a WANDI micaara ya igoto, ni njira imwe ya kuhotomia utamburukia wa mahinya.
We feel in the last 10 years, there has not been any movement. In fact, if you look at the basic salary of current basic salary, moved from the 5th year of 2017 was at 165. It moved back to 86 as basic salary.
It is catastrophic. It is terrible. We are suffering, Chair. And therefore, our plea, can they now act on humanitarian grounds not to kill devolution?
They have very, very heavy responsibility in representing their people, hearing their problems on a daily basis. So don't think they just work when they sit in the committee.
GIIKARO-ini giki Senator wa Nandi Samson Cherargei niodirie muikariri giti wa kamiti ya SRC ataririe mutaratara wa guthurima weru na guthondeka micaara ya MCAs Lynn Mengich agitetera na kuga mutaratara uyu uheagwo mwerekera negatifa.
CECs earn 4,000 but you earn 86,000. Leave about the cross of 144,000. It doesn't. So my question, Governor, Chair, and to the SRC CEO, which reasoning would you give a CC 4,000 and give less than 100,000 to MCAs, number one?
Use job evaluation as the methodology to help us to assess the relative worth or the comparative worth of jobs in the public service.
Mengich augite SRC ithurimaga micaara ya aruti wira wa muingi thutha wa miaka 4 mutaratara uyu ariguo uteithagiriria guthondeka ikero cia micaara agitianirie ndeto cia gukorwo maikoroketie micaara ya MCAs.
We are fully alive to that fact that you cannot reduce the pay of an employee. It is guided by the Kenyan laws.
The issue of philanthropy, you will see that we didn't mention it is in the job description, and it is not, because it is actually not part of what we consider as the reward for an individual.
The MCAs are frustrated a lot because you cannot oversight somebody who gets billion shillings, somebody who gets 400 and you get 86 shillings. It can happen.
Riu SRC hetwo ihinda ria thiku 21 gukorwo yethete kihonia kia nduga manweno.
Members of the Committee of
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.
Intergovernmental Relations are here.